Hey everyone, it's Jacob and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into a review of the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards credit card, a card that I've actually been using for a few years now. Whether you're new to credit cards or just curious if this card is the right fit for your wallet, I will be reviewing everything you need to know about this card as well as my personal experience with it. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more credit card reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. So here are the main topics we are covering in today's video: the welcome offer, the cashback categories, the preferred rewards program, your redemption options, my personal experience with the card, and finally, my overall verdict. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's kick things off by talking about the welcome offer, which is often the first thing people look at when choosing a new credit card. As of right now, the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Card offers a $200 online cash rewards bonus after you spend $1,000 in purchases within the first 90 days of opening your account. While this is a fairly standard welcome bonus for a no annual fee card, it is a nice bonus to get you started. Keep in mind that welcome offers can change from time to time. Bank of America sometimes runs promotional offers where you can get a welcome bonus of actually higher than $200. So it's always worth checking out their website or looking for targeted offers. To maximize this welcome bonus, use your card for regular everyday spending like dining, groceries, or gas. If you're planning a large expense, like getting a new electronic device or booking travel, make sure to use it on this card, so that way you can meet that $1,000 spending requirement quicker. And lastly, avoid overspending. Don't spend more than you typically would just to meet this reward. Otherwise, that kind of just defeats the whole purpose. While the welcome bonus is a great incentive, it's just one piece of the puzzle. The real strength of this card lies in its customizable cashback categories, which we'll dive into next. Now, what sets the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards card apart is its customizable cashback categories, allowing you to tailor your rewards to fit your lifestyle. Here's how it works. You'll earn 3% cash back in a category of your choice, including options like dining, travel, online shopping, gas, drugstores, or home improvement. 2% cash back at grocery stores or wholesale clubs. And finally, 1% cash back on everything else. However, I did want to note that the 3% and 2% cashback categories have a combined cap of $2,500 per quarter. So once you hit that cap, you'll only earn 1% back in those categories for the remainder of that quarter. This, unfortunately, is one of the downsides of this card if you're a high spender, as this cap is quite easy to meet. But what makes this card unique is that you're in control of the 3% category. So you can choose the one that best fits your spending habits and even switch it up as your needs change. For example, if you're commuting a lot this quarter, set that 3% category to gas. Or maybe you have a home improvement project coming up. If that's the case, home improvement may be the best option. And if you are somebody who eats out a lot like I do, then dining is going to be the best option for you. As a side note, switching your 3% category is very easy. Just log into the Bank of America website or app and you can switch it once every calendar month. This level of flexibility makes this card a standout option for anyone who wants to tailor their rewards to their spending habits. Next, let's talk about the Preferred Rewards program, which can take this card's cashback potential to the next level. If you're already a Bank of America or Merrill customer, this program allows you to boost your cashback rewards by 25% to 75%, depending on your balances combined across all of your eligible accounts. Here's a breakdown of the different tiers. The Gold tier, which is a 25% boost, requires $20,000 in combined balances across your accounts. With this tier, you'll earn 3.75% cashback in your chosen category instead of the standard 3%, 2.5% cashback on groceries and wholesale clubs instead of the standard 2%, and lastly, 1.25% cashback on all other purchases instead of the standard 1%. Next is the Platinum tier, which is a 50% boost. This tier requires $50,000 in combined balances. And here, you'll earn 4.5% cashback in your chosen category, 3% cashback on groceries and wholesale clubs, and 1.5% cashback on all other purchases. And finally, we have the Platinum Honors tier, which is a 75% boost. This one requires $100,000 in combined balances, and in this tier, you'll earn 5.25% cash back in your chosen category, 3.5% cash back on groceries and wholesale clubs, and 1.75% cash back on all other purchases. This program is an absolute game changer for anyone who meets those balance requirements. For instance, earning 5.25% cash back on gas or dining is one of the highest cashback rates you'll see on any card out there. And what's great is that these boosts automatically apply once you're enrolled in the program, so no extra work needed on your end. If you're a Bank of America or Merrill customer or planning on becoming one, the Preferred Rewards program is definitely something you'll want to take advantage of. It's one of the standout features that truly elevate this card compared to any other no annual fee credit card out there. Now that we've covered how you can earn cash back, let's talk about how you can redeem your rewards. One of the great things about this card is how simple and flexible the redemption process is. Here is a breakdown of your main redemption options. Direct deposit into a Bank of America account. If you have a Bank of America checking or savings account, you can deposit your cash back directly into those accounts. This is a very easy way to keep it very accessible and within your financial ecosystem. Credit towards your statement balance. You can apply your cash back as a statement credit, effectively lowering the amount you owe. This is a practical option if you want to minimize your next credit card bill. Deposit into a Merrill account. If you're an investor, you can deposit your cash back into an eligible Merrill investment account. This is a great way to let your cash back grow by reinvesting it. And gift cards. Bank of America offers a variety of gift card redemption options, and sometimes they even may come with a slight boost, giving you even more value for your rewards. So, what is the best redemption option? In my opinion, the direct deposit or statement credit options are the most straightforward and valuable for a majority of the people out there. They allow you to maximize your rewards without any gimmicks or added steps. If you're a Merrill investor, depositing your cash back into your investment account can also be a smart move, especially if you're focused on long-term financial growth. There's no minimum redemption amount required, so you can redeem your rewards as soon as you earn them. This flexibility makes it easy for you to use your cash back whenever you need it. Overall, the redemption process is seamless and adds to the overall simplicity of this card. Whether you're paying down your balance, saving for the future, or earning gift cards, this card gives you a variety of redemption options that you can take advantage of. Now that we've covered the rewards, redemption options, and how the Preferred Rewards program works, I'll share my personal experience with the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards credit card. So back in 2022, when I was a senior in college, I had just finished switching banks from PNC to Bank of America. The reason why I switched to Bank of America in the first place was because I was already invested with Merrill, which happened to be a division of Bank of America. So it just made the most sense for me to combine my investments and bank accounts all in one place for simplicity and for added benefits. So naturally, once I made that transition, this card seemed like the perfect fit for my situation. So in May of that year, I applied for it and got approved instantly. I immediately chose dining as my 3% cashback category because as a college student, eating out was a big part of my daily routine. Whether it was grabbing a quick bite at Chipotle or sitting down at one of my favorite local spots, this card helped me earn a lot of cash back on purchases that I was already making. And what really elevated this card's value for me was the Preferred Rewards program. Since I already invested with Merrill and combined that with my Bank of America accounts, I qualified for one of the tiers, which gave my cash back a significant boost. At that point, the Customized Cash Rewards card was my go-to card for essentially all of my purchases. I really enjoyed the simplicity of redeeming my rewards directly into my checking and savings accounts, as it was straightforward and there were no loops to go through. So honestly, at that time, this was the perfect card for me and I loved it. However, as my financial journey progressed, I wanted to start diving into the credit card game. So I started exploring travel-focused credit cards to take advantage of perks like point transfers, travel credits, and other premium benefits. Gradually, I shifted towards those cards, so this card became less of a priority in my wallet. That said, I still keep the credit card open and active by swiping it a few times a year. Since it has no annual fee, there's no cost to keeping it open, and it continues to positively impact my credit history length, which is an important factor in determining your credit score. If you're curious about why keeping older credit cards open is a smart strategy, I've covered this topic in another video, which I will link above. It's a key reason why cards like this can remain valuable even if you've moved on to more premium options. Overall, this card has played a pivotal role in my credit card journey. It was the perfect starter card for me during that phase of my life, and even though my needs have evolved, I still recognize the value this card brings to the right person. So, who should get this card? This card is a great fit for beginners looking for a simple cashback card with no annual fee and solid cashback categories. Existing Bank of America or Merrill customers who can benefit from the Preferred Rewards program, and people with spending habits that align with the customizable 3% categories like dining, gas, or online shopping. But if you're someone who prioritizes travel perks or higher rewards in niche categories, then this card may not be the best fit for you. Also, if you're someone who spends a lot, the $2,500 quarterly cap between the 3% and 2% categories may be too low, so you may want to look elsewhere. In my experience, the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards card was a perfect fit for me once in my credit card journey, and it could be the perfect fit for you as well. If you already have this card or are thinking about applying for it, please let me know down in the comment section below. I love to hear your thoughts and if you have any questions you want me to answer for you. If you've made it to this point in the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.